Hello dear viewers, today I make this video about the watch, this watch. This is full HD 8GB built-in camera. Okay, full HD with wide angle. Now it's in charge. After some time it will full charge. So I want to show how to work this. Okay, look, this one have battery indicator, and you can see Friday, holiday, everyday name, and there is time. Look, this is power on button. This button is power on button. There is charging port. Look, it's micro USB port, and this charging cable with this charging cable, data cable, both 2-in-1. Okay, you can use as a data cable and charging cable. It's coming with manual, but I don't take the manual. So this is a cover, this waterproof. Okay, so they make a cover here. And there is buttons, and in the button, look, there is some symbol. Okay, so now I want to show this how to work, and camera is here. Look, this is a camera, there is camera, but from outside other people cannot understand. Okay, so now on, this is on. You can see date also, date, day, name, and time, and this corner battery indicator, and this one touch, one click only. This is this side, this upside, one click only. It's mean video is recording started, video record started. Okay, now it's video recording mode. It's now working, recording videos. I don't know which side is upside and which side is downside. After checking, I can understand. Okay, now I want to check the video. Okay, I put in computer. This USB ports problem. Okay, now it's not connected. Oh, that is opposite side. Outside, one click only, it's mean video is recording started. Video record started. Okay, now okay, I'm deleting all. This is the right position for video. At first press this symbol button, okay, for video recording start. Look, now is in the mode what you want to start, audio or video. If you want to start video, then just press. If you press, then here coming a disk image. Okay, here you see a disk image. It's mean video recording started. Okay, and also you can start audio. Just stop this. Now audio recording start. Okay, it's mean only audio. Look clearly, it's mean audio. It's now recording only audio, no any video recording now. And if you want video record, then long press, one press, then stop, then second press, one press, start video recording. Okay, okay, now its video will come upper side up and lower side low. Hello, microphone testing. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hello, camera testing. And if you want press here, then it's taking photo only. Okay, pressing the power button, one press, it's mean take one photo only. Okay, look, one photo. Okay, just now checking the video. My laptop USB ports problem. Sometime working, sometime not working. Okay, now working. Okay, we'll check everything. Look, this audio recording start. Okay, it's mean only audio. Okay, this is audio recording, then photo, this is the photo. Okay, in my hand, camera, it's video. If you press, then here coming a disk. Look, disk image. Okay, here you see a disk image. Look the video clarity. Video recording started. Okay, and also you can start audio. Just stop this. On press, start video recording. Okay. Look, fully clear video. You can watch. You can see watch also. Now its video will come. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thanks.